I drive a 80 box Chevy. Started out on the streets as a show car. Used to take it to car shows. It was burgundy back then with a peanut butter top. Had a 305 in it. And we used to just drive it on the street. And we finally wanted to put a bigger motor in it. So we did a 355. They wouldn't get out his own way. Got mad with that and then took it out. And we did us a 4.6. I think Irvin did that 4.6, didn't you? Yeah, my friend did me a 4.6. And we started taking it to the track. I decided it just wasn't fast enough. We wanted to put some nitrous on it. Couldn't get the nitrous to act right. We got him to straighten it out for a minute. I think that thing went a 720. Shifting off the column, full interior. And we drive it to the track and run it. Blow the head of gasket out, come home, put one in. Tear the transmission out, come home, put another in the same night. Then we decided we're going to put some slicks on it. We put some slicks on it and start. We drive to the track on the slicks sometime. Come home, whatever we done tore up that night, we fix it. We go from grill drag strip on Thursday to wear shows on Friday to anywhere on Saturday and Shady Side on Sunday. We race them up 3-4 days a week. We decided it wasn't running fast enough again. So we moved on up another step. We did us a 421. It ran pretty good. I think that's the first 5-second pass it ever made at grill. And we run that motor for a while. We went on and did us a 434. We was running that thing. Now it was getting faster and faster and more money. We went to put it on the trailer, going out of town. We go to Orangeburg, North Carolina. Went to go into Georgia. We just started going and hitting all the tracks. Boys wanted to go to racing in those big Chevrolet, so we started running them. Started winning a few. We even went to West Shows one night at Hot Run 3 Mustangs. Me and my buddy, we'd go everywhere. We'd have blowouts. We'd keep riding on tires. If they didn't go down, we'd keep riding on them, trying to get to that track. Well, we ended up putting a big block in it, painted it black. We named it Boxzilla right before that. And everybody laughed at me and said, why man put a motor in a big car like that to bring it to the drag strip? Well, they soon found out. Boxzilla come on the scene and been on the scene ever since. I guess we've been on the scene close to 20 years. Then I met my wife. Me and her went to going around to every track, and she ended up being the tuner. They laughed at us about that. But they quit laughing when she went to tuning to get it down that track. Right now, we're in between doing a motor on it, freshening it up. But yeah, we've been all over all the tracks, a lot of different tracks. We've been to Piedmont, Pageland, Macon, Georgia, Albany, Georgia, Orangeburg, Carolina, you name it. We've been to a lot of them. And a lot of people know the car. I have a lot of fun out of it. I'm 63 years old and still driving. I think I can cut a tree. If I can't, I believe I got enough horsepower to kind of run some of them down. Well, I had some guys come through here one day at 87 SS Monte Carlo. He just had did him a little 355 in it. He thought he was the fastest thing in the city. So he come by here and he stopped out here in front of my shop and he'd do my burnouts. And I dared him one day to come through here anymore. And he came through here one day, him and the boys, and he's horsing his motor and doing burnouts. And I pulled old big Boxzilla out and we went on the back road over there. And I think I probably gapped him about 5 cars. Well, that got rid of him. And I'd be just riding down the highway and guys would just pull up beside me. That thing sounded so wicked and so loud. They just pull up beside me, and I guess just to see what was in it. They just want to see how fast it would go. They just keep thumping the gas and horsing the gas until I finally got in it and give them a little test of the tune. I mean, the street racing, I used to have guys come by here wanting to go on the back road to race. We go on the back road and kick them off. It didn't matter to me. But this thing kind of got now where you can't kind of go on the streets now. There's so much traffic out there. We just go to the track. They're doing a lot of building. These animals jumping out the woods, you don't never know where they're coming from or when they're coming. It's just too easy to get hurt out there. Now hurt somebody. I just advise them to go to the track. You get the same thing at the track as you get out the streets. You can go to the tracks where they're having the no prep, and it's just like being on the street. Plus, you're 100% more safer. You ain't got to worry about the police. You ain't got to worry about hurting nobody. You ain't got to worry about getting hurt as bad if you lose control of your car because you got these walls that kind of help you out. But go to the track, young fellows, and run your cars at the track. Not in the streets. It's too dangerous. You don't have no roll cage. Half time they don't have on their seat belts. And I seen one young guy running on the street and he wrecked and got burned up in the car. Couldn't get out. At least at the track, you got the rescue squad there. You got the ambulance there. You got people that can kind of try to get you out of it before it's too late. Well, we did a race last September, the 21st of September of last year at Shadyside. And with the good Lord willing, we're going to give another one this September, the 19th, at Shadyside Dragway. It's called Buck Wild Race Fest. We testing tuning, we junior dragster, we bracket racing. We're going to have the 704 Outlaw boys there. We're trying to get the 490 guys there. We're trying to get y'all some good racing so you can have fun that day. We're giving away free food, so come on and eat till you pop. We're going to have a bouncy house for the kids. We're going to try to have something for everybody. It's kind of making it like an outing for the family. So everybody can have fun that day, see some good racing. The kids can play and stay out the way. And somebody can win some money.